rejuvenation based on microfat technology. This procedure can be called nanofat, microfat, supermicrofat, or nanofat grafting. The essence of the procedure is to use a small amount of fat in the human body, in which stem cells and fibroblasts of cells are found. This is what plays a decisive role. To date, no other procedure can compare in effectiveness with the one we are talking about now. After injection into problem areas, stem cells differentiate into fibroblasts, resulting in the production of their own collagen in the affected areas. It is worth saying that the reserves of stem cells decrease with age in all organs, but in adipose tissue, their reserves are sufficient. Also in adipose tissue there are quite a lot of small vessels, and in the walls of these vessels there are parasite cells, which can also turn into fibroblasts, control the growth of vessels, and evenly distribute substances in nearby tissues. The technology of using adipose tissue for rejuvenation is somewhat reminiscent of plasma lifting, but the effect of the latter is much weaker. Photos before and after the procedure for using nanofat are presented in sufficient quantity on the internet. You can see for yourself that the results are truly impressive, and they are often much better than the same plasma lifting. In the case of using nanofat technology, the stromal vascular fraction of adipose tissue is used, and here it is worth mentioning the growth factors that are present in the resulting emulsion. They stimulate the appearance of new vessels and promote the engraftment of stem cells. Thus, the procedure of collecting adipose tissue from the abdominal area, from the hip area or above the knees, and then centrifuging the biomaterial, allows us to obtain an ideal safe medical cocktail for injections without side effects, since the patient's own fat and cells are used, which are not subject to any processing. The only technical nuance that causes inconvenience during the procedure is that the patient has to be put into a drug-induced sleep. But as a result of the injections, the lost volume of the face is restored, the skin is completely rejuvenated in the areas of the procedure. Another nuance concerns terminology. It is indicated that microfat is used as a filler, for example, when it is necessary to remove dark circles under the eyes. That is, it is a safe filler. At the same time, nanofat is a smaller fraction, and it is called liquid gold for its ability to rejuvenate the skin, remove wrinkles, pigment spots, and increase blood flow to cells.